Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making tuna casserole. We're going to start off with the cream of mushroom soup, cheddar, garlic and onions, 3 cans of tuna, and some white egg noodles. This meal is super easy and super delicious. My husband loves it. So let's get right into it. We're going to have our boiling water. We're going to make sure that water is at a nice boil before we add in our noodles. So I did add a little salt to the water. I'm not sure if I showed that, but I did put a couple pinches of salt to the water just to ensure that the noodles don't stick. And I'm not using this entire bag, but I'm using most of the bag of noodles. I just have like maybe a quarter left. And we're just gonna let those noodles boil while we work on our casserole filling or our tuna filling. So in this pan I have my cream of mushroom soup and the 3 cans of tuna, and I'm gonna add some seasoning to the pot. It's pepper and this all seasoning by Lawry's, which has like garlic powder, onion powder, and some parsley. So I'm gonna just give this a stir, and I'm gonna heat it through before adding the noodles to the pot. So I rinse my noodles and they're drained, and I'm just gonna add those to the pot. I prefer adding the noodles to the soup just to ensure that all the noodles are coated with the tuna mixture, because I don't like having just dry noodles once everything is done. So I mix everything together in the pot before baking it. So I just give that a nice toss, make sure all the noodles are covered with the cream of mushroom and tuna mixture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheese to the pot as well. So for this cheese, I'm using mozzarella cheese that I grated. I'm just using a little bit, and I just want to mix that through just to make sure that it's nice and gooey like I like it. And I'm gonna add more cheese also, but I just use that mozzarella cheese for the mixture. And now on to baking. This is my baking dish. I rubbed that with some butter, and I'm just gonna throw everything in there. Now I'm gonna start off with one layer of the noodles and the cream of mushroom and tuna mixture. I'm just gonna throw that in there, and then as you see, I'm gonna layer it again with some more cheese, some cheddar cheese. Now this looks so good already. This is straight up a comfort meal. This is super easy to make and really delicious. And I'm adding more cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want, but this is just how I like to do mine. I like to layer the cheese in. So I'm gonna add some more of the noodles and tuna on top of that, and then we're gonna finish it off. Now that we have the pan full, I'm just gonna go ahead and add our last top layer of cheese, and I'm gonna just sprinkle this on top. Try to cover every portion of the pan, and then also I'm gonna add a little remix. I'm gonna add some potato chips, or some Lay's potato chips on top. I'm just gonna give it a nice little crunch, also, and provide some more texture to the dish. And I think that's really good. It gives it a little bit more flavor, if you ask me. It's optional, but that's just something that I wanted to try this time around with the potato chips. And these are just regular Lay's potato chips that I'm sprinkling on top. So I'm adding a little bit more cheese just to make sure that the chip sticks to the top of the casserole. And we're gonna bake this for 375 for 40 minutes. And this is our finished outcome. I sprinkled some parsley on top just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And that's it, our crunchy, yummy tuna casserole. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.